Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you a quick cleaning technique. What you're seeing partially is the Tower of Orthanc, and this has been on a display case just collecting dust, and it's black so it's a little hard to see, but I'm going to try and wipe it off so you can see just how dusty it is. Hopefully you can see that. But this is one of my favorite dusting techniques for sets that you've put together, is makeup brushes. You know, your wives or your girlfriends, whatever, are going to use these up and they are going to get new ones over time, and they're rather expensive. You've got several different types. These right here are a little more compact, and so they're good for getting off the dust. But when you get to small pieces like this, they can, or minifigs, they can tend to knock the pieces off a little bit. So I actually like these softer brushes with the finer bristles. And they, you know, you can pretty much just go in and get everything, and they really do a good job. Take out my marble. And you can just get in there and go to town. You know, you try and use anything else like a Swiffer or whatever, and the Lego just grabs the piece. And I'll try and move the camera up. You can ignore the background in my messy room. Not sure if you can see the dust on these pieces any better, but you know, it just comes right off. One of the other things you can do if you're doing this, depending on where you're doing it, is have a little vacuum right next to you so you can kind of suck up all the fine dust that's finding off. I mean, I can just see the dust flying. I'm sure you can't see that on the camera. But this, it does a really good job, and these fine bristles will not make your set fall apart. So there's my dusting technique. Makeup brushes. Hope you enjoyed that.